What's going on today, guys? Shane here, Tugs Garage. I got a new product I want to show you. Let's open this bag up and check her out. Don't need that. It's got a grease gun coupler from Saker. 14,000 PSI. It's a quick lock coupler. Let's see what we got up in here. That's pretty neat. Grabs onto the Zerk there. Let's install this dude on my grease gun and see how it works. So I got two styles of grease gun. I got the lever style and I got the pistol style. This style is pretty handy. I mean, you can, let me get a rag. I could see where this style wouldn't need a coupler like that, because you can actually hold it with one hand and hold the other one. And this one's pretty new, but let's put this coupler on this grease gun, the lever style, because it almost takes two hands to use this one. Alright, let's get this old one off of there. Here's a new coupler. New coupler. Alright, drop that dude, but grease gun is, so it looks like I got grease fitting here. So this dude opens up, stick it on a grease fitting, that's how it holds. Pull it off, that's it. Let's try this dude down here. Let's get this front end all greased up. Let's see how this thing does. Alright, let's check this out. Oh, dang. Yeah, we got grease in there. Let's check it out down here. Right there. I'm going to turn my wheel a little bit. Bring it out. Yep. I'll get some grease on there. Greased. Alright, this ball joint here. Greased. This tie rod. Good. Now I get the pitman arm. Okay. Well, guys, thing's pretty cool. Bring you in a little closer so check her out a little better. It looks like it's well made. I mean, just squeeze the trigger, stick your Zerk on it, stick your Zerk in the hole, and then coming off. And it's definitely handy for grease guns like with the pump style instead of the pistol grip. But I'll definitely order another one. Like I said, the company is Saker. They reached out to me and asked me to do a review on this, and I give it 2 thumbs up. Pretty cool little tool. You don't have to worry about your grease fitting or your popping off. Be definitely handy. You got one of them power jobbies, dude. You can stick that on there. You don't have to worry about holding it. Heck yeah. If you guys want one of these, or you're looking for one, I'll put a link in the description. But yeah, check them out. Pretty neat product. And like I said, here's the product. Saker. Or if you can read that, focus. That's their website right there. Yeah, it's pretty handy. It says it's capable of withstanding up to 14,000 psi. So yeah, go check them out. Pretty cool. I'm definitely going to keep using it.